Why do some people say that bank could be your friend? A lot of times we use bank as a tool just to keep our money there and get our paychecks or pay stub so that we can store there. But a bank could be a lot more, and the services they provide could be huge for financial growth. Here's why. A lot of times we see bank as a tool just for depositing money from our paycheck. But it could be more. The services they provide are vast and it could be utilized at every level of your life cycle. Basically, if you're buying a car, if you're getting a mortgage, if you are investing on a business, if you are planning on buying stocks, all these services are there for us to utilize. Let me jump into this video and explain what are the services a bank provides and how we can leverage those tools and services to help us grow our financial capabilities. First off, let us look at the bank as what they are actually known for. They're known for a financial institution where we can safekeep our money, earn interest, and able to get some loans. A lot of bank accounts these days offer little interest rate, and there are high savings accounts where you can get more interest every month. Now let's dial back a little bit and try to understand what tools the bank is providing us. We're able to get a checking account where we do our regular transactions. We are able to get a savings account, also able to get a credit card which we actually can pay off at a later date and improve our credit score. Also, another service which the bank is providing, we are able to purchase online. Now that tool is able to help us shop online, buy things which we like at a cheaper price, which is at a different location for cheaper. With those tools, there comes some services which we're also able to get is the financial advices if we need some, fraud protection, and customer support in case we have some issues with our account. Now, building a relationship is key with these type of banks because it's not just your asset, which is the cash value. It's also you can leverage those assets to get different type of financial opportunities which will actually help us grow our wealth. Now, they always say that bank is our friend because once the bank understand and you're doing a relationship with them over time, you're able to leverage more money from them because they trust you, they understand you that you will pay them back over time, and they can make 10 cents on a dollar whenever you're taking a loan. So it's key to understand that bank is not just there for you to just store money there. There is a lot of opportunities the bank is giving you, and I think we should utilize it to improve our wealth. On the counter side, while banks could be a huge asset or a partner for you, but it's essential for us to understand what type of term and reputation the loans they're offering. We understand that very well because it will actually help us compare between other banks and see which service best fits for you. Now let us talk about some of the interesting things we can actually instantly do to earn more money with our asset or savings we already have. First off, we already can get a high savings account where we are getting more yield every month so that it could pay off one of our cars if you have saved up enough chunk of money and you're getting that return every month. Second, some banks offer CDS, which is certificate of deposit. So basically they're taking that money and you can lock that money for a certain amount of time, and they will give you a certain percentage of return over that course of time. A lot of banks do that because they actually are able to use other people's money and they get a percentage of share and you get a percentage of share. So it goes both ways. So you're actually helping the bank make money and you're making money at the same time. Also, these certificate of deposits are actually certified. So if it's a certain number, it's actually insured and there is no risk to that money. A lot of times you want to buy stocks and you have to go to a lot of third-party trade brokers. However, a lot of bank actually provides you those type of services as well so that you can buy stocks, bonds through their channels, and a lot of times there are no limits to what type of stock or bonds you're buying because it's different from different banks out there. Another thing is investment accounts. You can use those investment accounts to buy stocks, bonds, and other mutual funds if necessary so that you can diversify your portfolio. Now, what I'm saying is that there's other services which third-party vendors or banks provide, but you have to see which fits your need. If you're buying bonds, certain banks are better. If you're buying stocks, certain banks are better. So you have to understand the terms and what type of service they provide before opening an investment account with them. Again, I cannot say this enough, is that some of the financial advices you can actually get from the bank is huge. A lot of times I went and consulted with my banker who I had a long relationship with her, and she actually guided me through my first home purchase. The car loan which I was getting from the dealer, I was actually able to get it for cheaper from my bank. So those type of financial things are huge, especially when you can save thousands of dollars over the course of time. Now, what we also have to understand that yes, the bank is there for you, but you have to also understand we have to leverage the bank loans very wisely. Borrowing money is easy, however, it's very difficult to pay it back. So you have to understand what is your financial capability, what is the limit you can actually borrow, and see the risk, what are the risks are, and basically understand the term, and then try to get loans from them, because you don't want to burn that bridge. You want to establish that bridge and keep growing that bridge. By doing so, you're able to actually improve your financial success over time. You're able to get HELOCs, which is the home equity loans. You're able to get investment funds, and they can introduce you to other financial tools where you can actually utilize to invest on other assets as well. All in all, what I'm trying to say is that the bank could be a huge tool for us to utilize and expand our portfolio or our capital or our businesses. So it is huge to understand which bank you're banking with and understand the services they're providing. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am an active investor who's invested in a lot of different assets. And over the course of years, I understand the value of banks and why they're there for you. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them with best of my ability, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.